So here I have a gradient, and if you look very closely, you can tell that there's a lot of banding going on right here. But in the new update for Illustrator 2026, there's a new feature called dither. This means that we can now dither our gradients to remove the banding. And we do this by simply opening our gradient panel, selecting our gradient, and in this pop-up right here, we have this checkbox right here that says dither. So if I click this checkbox, you can now see that the banding disappeared. But there's a catch. If I hover over this dither checkbox right here, you can tell that it reduces banding, but gradient is rasterized on export, which means that the gradient is now pixels instead of just vectors, which again means that it can lose quality if you scale it up a lot. And you can tell it's been rasterized by zooming in a lot. And here we can start to see that it is kind of grainy and blurry. You might not be able to see it here on YouTube because it's very compressed, but you can test it out in your own program. So use this feature in your next project. Now, if you like this video, you can hit the like button, or you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.